Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel here, and we've arrived at Animal Kingdom Jambo House. And today we're going to take a look at one Savannah View Villa. And this particular one is Villa 5579. Let's go take a look. But even before that, look at the artistry on the door. It's fantastic. Now notice this is a lock-off. If we had a two-bedroom villa, then that door would be open. But we have just the one bedroom, so it's locked. So immediately upon entering, on the right, we've got the kitchen with full-size refrigerator, cooktop, oven, microwave, dishwasher, all the trimming. And again, if you've never stayed at Animal Kingdom before, you'll notice the attention to detail everywhere, including the tile. And again, some of the drawers are full plates. Actually, that's a very nice plate stand. I like that, actually. Again, bowls, sandwich plate, dinner plates. Again, real coffee mugs, not the paper kind. Mixing bowl. It's a great way to save money if you're going to do some cooking for breakfast or dinners while you're here. And we're always asked, what's the coffee maker? Well, today is November 26th. It is the drip coffee, Mr. Coffee Filter. Again, real glasses, wine glasses, water glasses, and so on. Again, with Joffy's coffee. Now, not everyone knows this, but if you run out of the coffee or the cream is in your room during your stay, you can ask for more. With the refrigerator, it's a Whirlpool. We've got manual coffee tray, so we'll set that up shortly. Full refrigerator, that's going to be stocked soon. Toaster. Okay. So again, in Jambo House, they converted what were originally hotel rooms on the 5th floor of Jambo House to DVC units. So at Kidani, some of the units from the villas may be a little bit larger, including some of them have an extra full bath or partial bath. So here at Jambo House, no hangers. Well, we'll have to talk to housekeeping about that, but large closet nonetheless. Again, attention to details. Beautiful. One of the things we really like about the theming at Disney World. And again, it's not just an ordinary lampshade. Look at that. Beautiful. You see, we've already started to move in. There's the Welcome Powell family. Again, several things to look at here. There's Simba, baby Simba. Again, 2 full sets of outlets, 2 plus 2 USB, so 2 sets of those on either side. Drawers. Look at that nice end table there. Gosh, I like that. More beautiful artwork. So there's a view from this end. Okay, there's the fan. Okay, more end tables. Beautiful. Just so refreshing, so different. You're not going to find a resort or hotel anywhere in North America like this. Beautiful end table. Pull-out couch, sofa bed. Beautiful table lamp. Oh, I went by too quickly, perhaps, the wall art. Again, look at that. Just spectacular. And, because it's a 1-bedroom, you've got an extended balcony. And there's Nancy. So here's our Savannah view. We saw some, I believe it's muskox. We saw zebras on the way here. Oh, there's some in the far distance there, lying down. But here's the full length of the balcony. So we'll take you into the bedroom side. Oh, before I pass by, look at the chairs. Look at the chair backs. Zebras. Beautiful. So here's the one bedroom unit. Again, nightstand on either side of the bed, which is great. And the nightstands again have outlets, pair of USB and electrical outlets. Again, more wall hangings. Spectacular. And on the headboard of the bed, there of course is Simba and Nala. I don't need to tell you from what Disney movie, right? I'm going to assume not. Okay, continuing looking at the poster here. Some more details for you. Just spectacular. As mentioned a few minutes ago, Animal Kingdom villas at Walt Disney World are so unique, you will not find anything like it anywhere in North America. More electrical outlets, USB outlets. And notice here, fish, turtle, and we know this guy. And yes, drawers. There's the TV, because Nancy had not turned it on. There's our armoire. There's some hangers. There's the safe, hair dryer, extra blankies and bedding. There's the other side beds, end table, night table. And notice here, both the bedroom and the living room have their own thermostat, which can be really useful, especially if you have, a party of 3 or 4 or 5 staying here, some sleeping in the living room, different temperatures. Again, one bedroom, so it comes with washer and dryer. And of course, Disney provides enough for 2 loads. And then here is the bathroom. Double sinks, lots of towels, and additional open shelves. Look at that, even the lights by the mirror in the bathroom have the theming, African theming. It's beautiful. So it does come with jacuzzi, tub, these one bedrooms at Jambo House do come with a full bath, jacuzzi bath. Again, look at the theming on the wall. In this case, this jacuzzi bathtub doubles for those that want it as a shower. There's a shower head. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, of course. Additional hangers there. And there's the toilet room. Full length mirror, more shelving. More artwork. Here one more time is the Savannah. And yes, it's about 1 o'clock now in the afternoon, so animals tend to be more in the morning when they get fed for breakfast as well as the evening. Just got more things before we wind up this room tour. The details inside are just amazing. You just don't see these anywhere. Here are a couple of examples here for you. As well, from this particular villa, this is the view that we have. And yes, sometimes we do see zebras, as you can plainly see here. This makes it so worth it staying here.
Oh, no. What? Yeah, that sucks. And the others are
And
following.
over in the far right, we also see a pair of these beautiful birds. All right, so that's our tour of the one-bedroom villa Jambo house at Disney's Animal Kingdom Resort with the Savannah in the background. And you want further information, if we can help you make your reservations here and help you book your Walt Disney World adventure, my email and our website is in the description below. Nancy and I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are 2 more videos of our travel adventures to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And lastly, my email is in the description below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.